Hello guys, I just got my new boxing gloves, the Fairtex Sport Competition Gloves, and I wanted to unbox them with you. So let's open this box. I bought them in size 18 because I want to use them for sparring. I bought laces gloves because if you've never tried lace gloves before, they're much better than Velcro. It's a better professional feel and they last well over time, and you also can fit them with bigger hand wraps. So these are the gloves. They're pretty big, as you can see. I wanted the glove that offers very good hand support because I had injuries on my fingers. So they feel pretty good. As you can see, they're very long. I have big hands. The space for the hand compartment, it's pretty large. I have big hands, as you can see, and it's a bit tight because the glove is new. What I can say it's a bit strange and different is the thumb. As you can see, it's not straight as on this like Mexican style glove. You can see on this is straight, this is a bit curved. These are in 12 O's. These are horsehair. As you can see, the padding is really different. This I only used this for bag and for pads. They feel very good when you're hitting the pads. It sounds like a gunshot and you can put more power into each hit. So the first thing I notice is the leather. The quality on this leather is different. It feels really premium. You can see that this Thailand leather, they focus more on quality and it's very thick compared to other brands. I will try them also a bit on the bag and I will come back with a review. So if you have this problem, the problem on the laces gloves is that you will need someone to lace them up for you. In 18 size 18, you don't necessarily need, because you put them on at the beginning of the sparring and you take them off at the end. But if you want to use them for multiple things, also for bag or pads, what you can do is buy some converters like this and you turn them. As you can see, I can put my hand easily with big padding and hand wraps. Look how wide it is, and I just pull, and look how easy it is to put them on by myself. Yes, and they fit really good. Yeah, as you can see. And after that, after you finish, you just take them off. Look how easy it is. Yeah, look how wide this gets. And you can also let them to air. After you finish training, they won't sting, they won't catch any smell. So if you want a video on a tutorial on how to put these converters, because I saw a lot of people, they just put the converters to the end of this glove like this and just wrap it around, but you don't solve anything, because if you have bigger hand wraps, your hand won't fit and it won't be as tight as this one. So leave a comment if you want me to drop a tutorial on this. I also ordered a pair of converters for this new glove because I want also to use them with converters, because it's much more easier than lacing and doing all this. So for the hand compartment is good. You also have here some padding, so you can block for kicks. You know, Fairtex now is what they use in Glory and in One. It's a pretty good glove. There, I can say I don't know how they will last in time, but they look better than Twins or Yokao gloves. I didn't like the Velcro version. I think the laces are more professional. This model It's the Pro Competition Glove. They also had this in 10, 12, 14, 16, but I wanted to buy the biggest pair to have it for sparring. So I will come with a review after I use them, and I will tell you how they feel. They're like pretty heavy. This is the first thing I noticed compared to the horsehair. These are very light. These are really heavy. Look the size of them. They're really big compared to this. But what I can say is that the leather on this is thicker than this. So I will come back with a video review on them after I use them, and leave a comment, and I'll make the tutorial on how to do this with converters on your boxing gloves. It will save literally your life. So subscribe and see you next time.